Welcome to InstaWP. We are really glad you're here. This is your dashboard, the one place you can build, host, manage, and even sell WordPress websites. If it looks empty right now, that's perfectly normal. You're just getting started. Let me show you around so you feel right at home. This first screen is sites, your home base. Everything you create will show up here. You've got two simple ways to begin. If you're starting fresh, click new site and you'll have a brand new WordPress website ready in just a few seconds. And you can create a website from scratch, from ready-made snapshots, from store, or even built for you with AI. And if you already have a website somewhere else, no problem, just click import site. You can bring it in by entering its web address or by uploading a backup. Either way, your site is up and running in just a few minutes. Next up is snapshots. A snapshot is simply a saved copy of your site, like a photograph you can come back to. So if you build something you love, you can save it and reuse it anytime instead of starting all over again. It's a real time saver as you grow. Then there's manage. This is where you keep them in good shape, updates, backups, security checks, all in a single view. And the best part, it works even for WordPress websites hosted somewhere else. So you can look after all of them from a single dashboard. Migrations is your moving service, and you have two ways to migrate your site to InstaWP: web-based migration and SSH migration. You can see all the past, ongoing and failed migrations over here. Now here's something exciting. Sell. This is where InstaWP can become your own business. You can package sites as templates, set up your own branded hosting store under WAS with your own prices, see what customers are buying under sales, and track your earnings in payouts. So when you're ready, you're not just building websites, you can even sell them as well. Portal is the customer side of that business. Customers is where your buyers live. And settings let you shape how their experience looks and feels. Think of it as your own little storefront fully under your control. Settings is where you set things up your way. You can set up configurations for your sites, add Git deployments, set up webhooks and WP CLI commands, and configure your team settings. And integration connects InstaWP to your other tools so you can always do more. And if you ever need a hand, look to the top right. Your account, your credits, billing, plus docs, tutorials and support are all right there. You're never on your own here. So that's your dashboard. Go ahead, click on new site and let's build something beautiful together. Once again, welcome to InstaWP.